However, the term Latino is often used to describe a race, even though it is not a biological or genetic category. 1960s and 1970s, during the Civil Rights Movement. At that time, activists sought to create a collective identity for people with Latin American roots in order to build political power and advocate for their rights. The term Latino was seen as a way to unite people from diverse countries and cultures under a common banner. However, the question of whether Latino is a race is more complex. Race is a social construct, meaning that it is not based on biological or genetic factors, but rather on cultural, historical, and political factors. In the United States, race has been historically defined by skin color, with people with darker skin being considered a different race from those with lighter skin. This definition has excluded many people with mixed ancestry or non-European features, including people with Latin American roots. Despite this, the Latino identity has been associated with race in the United States due to a combination of factors. One factor is the historical legacy of colonialism and slavery in Latin America. Many Latin American countries have a complex racial hierarchy, with people of European descent at the top and people of African or indigenous descent at the bottom. This legacy of racial inequality has shaped the way that people with Latin American roots are perceived in the United States. Another factor is the way that Latinos are classified in the U.S. Census. The Census Bureau considers Latino to be an ethnicity, not a race, but allows individuals to choose one or more races in addition to their ethnicity. This has led to confusion about whether Latino is a race or an ethnicity, and has contributed to the perception of Latinos as a distinct racial category. In conclusion, the Latino identity is a complex and multifaceted category that has been shaped by historical, cultural, and political factors. While Latino is not a biological or genetic category, it has become associated with race in the United States due to the historical legacy of colonialism and slavery, as well as the way that Latinos are classified in the U.S. Census. Understanding the complexity of the Latino identity is essential